This is Adobe Podcast. So this site is really, really unique, and it does one job. And like you see on the left, it enhances speech. So what you can do is, if you have an audio file that is really terrible, that's really bassy, or that's like hard to hear, or you have a lot of background noise, this free website can really help you clean up that audio really fast. So this is all you have to do. You just have to click the upload button and you get your file. And now it's going through the process of enhancing the speech. And sometimes this process can take up to 10 minutes, and then boom, here it is. So then let's try it and test it with the enhanced speech on and off, and I'll flick it on and off as it's playing. So here is a dope website that you can go to help create voice and animations and videos from a tweet or an Instagram post. This site is called Blicky. When you get to it, you can go to create a new file, right? And you can do any language you want. So we'll just say test just for testing purposes, right? All right, so as you can see, that it really, really cleaned up the audio, brought my audio up to the front, and you can really hear it a lot more clearly than you can on the original recording. So if this is helpful, like I said, this is Adobe Podcast, and it helps enhance your speech. This is a free tool that you can use. This is Stefan from Seer Productions, keeping you connected through storytelling. And let me know what you think about this tool.